Incredibly simple to make but elegant and rich is a perfect description for this lemon butter chicken and broccolini dish. Welcome back. I'm Victoria with the Food Rack. This dish that can be ready in less than 30 minutes really is perfect for 1 or 2 people, or double it for the whole family to enjoy. So let's get started. In a saute pan on high heat, add 1/3 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice with a teaspoon of finely minced shallot. Add a couple of pinches of sea salt too. Simmer that until the lemon juice is reduced to about half. Slowly melt 6 tablespoons of cold butter, swirling 1 pat at a time. You don't need to stir this, as the swirling will be sufficient to gently create the sauce. When the butter is incorporated, finish off the sauce with a pinch of fresh parsley and some finely minced rosemary, and set that aside for now. In a large pan that you'll be able to cover later, turn the heat on medium-high and add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Split a large skinless, boneless chicken breast in half and brown the chicken breast for about 5 minutes on each side. Season each side with salt and pepper. While the chicken is cooking, slice a medium onion. Remove the chicken from the pan and briefly set it aside, keeping the heat on medium-high. Add a little oil to the pan and saute your sliced onions for about 2 minutes. When that's done, return your chicken to the pan and pour the butter sauce over the chicken. When the sauce comes back to temperature, reduce the heat to simmer, then cover the pan and let the chicken with the onions and sauce cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the broccolini, cover, and cook an additional 5 minutes. Check to make sure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Serve with the broccolini, the onions, and the sauce. When I tasted this, the chicken was tender, the broccolini was perfect, and all the flavors were rich and delicious. This would go great with my toasted rice. If you want to know how to make my rice, click the video to the right. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.
To get everything on the Food Rack, be sure to hit that subscribe button.